Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both the AirPods and the host device. This reduces variables. First, check firmware and phone OS because outdated code often causes audio glitches. Then open the case and visually inspect each tip and the charging ports. Remove lint with a dry, soft brush. Once done, restart your phone or computer and toggle Bluetooth off and on to clear any transient pairing issues, which frequently resolves intermittent crackling immediately. Now you move into deeper fixes to isolate the problem. Forget the AirPods in Bluetooth settings, then press and hold the setup button on the case for about 15 seconds until the light flashes. This resets pairing caches. Next, pair with a second device to determine if the issue is the AirPods or the original host. Also, disable active noise cancellation or ambient modes and adjust ear seal. Poor fit or processing modes can introduce distortion, so test after each change. Finish by ensuring power and signal integrity. Clean the charging contacts with a lint-free cloth and charge both case and AirPods fully because low battery can affect audio processing. If you use a computer, update or reinstall Bluetooth and audio drivers to remove software conflicts. Once done, test call and media playback. If crackling persists despite these steps, contact manufacturer support or pursue warranty service. They can run hardware diagnostics or replace faulty units as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.